The cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is a complex network of organs and vessels responsible for transporting nutrients, gases, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, and blood. The heart. 1. The heart is a muscular organ located slightly left of the center of the chest. 2. It consists of 4 chambers, 2 atria, upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, lower chambers. 3. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cavae. 4. The right atrium contracts, pumping blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. 5. The right ventricle contracts, pumping blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, which carries the blood to the lungs for oxygenation. 6. Oxygenated blood returns from the lungs via the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. 7. The left atrium contracts, pumping blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. 8. The left ventricle contracts, pumping oxygen-rich blood through the aortic valve into the aorta, the largest artery in the body, which distributes it to the rest of the body. Blood vessels. 1. Arteries. These are thick-walled blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to various parts of the body. 1. The aorta is the main artery that branches into smaller arteries. 2. Arterioles, small branches of arteries that further divide into capillaries. The capillaries, these are tiny blood vessels where nutrient and gas exchange occurs between the blood and tissues. 3. Capillaries connect arterioles to venules. 4. Venules, small vessels that collect blood from the capillaries and gradually merge into veins. 5. Veins, these are blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood from the tissues back to the heart. 5. Veins have thinner walls compared to arteries. Blood. 1. Blood is composed of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. 2. Plasma carries nutrients, hormones, waste products, and gases. Red blood cells, erythrocytes, carry oxygen bound to hemoglobin from the lungs to the body's tissues and carry carbon dioxide back to the lungs. 4. White blood cells, leukocytes, are involved in the immune response, defending the body against infections and foreign substances. 5. Platelets, thrombocytes, are cell fragments involved in blood clotting to prevent excessive bleeding. Circulation. 1. Systemic circulation. This is the circulation of blood between the heart and the rest of the body. 1. Oxygenated blood is pumped from the left side of the heart to the body's tissues via the aorta and returns to the right side of the heart as deoxygenated blood through the superior and inferior vena cavae. 2. Pulmonary circulation. This is the circulation of blood between the heart and the lungs. 2. Deoxygenated blood is pumped from the right side of the heart to the lungs via the pulmonary artery and returns as oxygenated blood to the left side of the heart through the pulmonary veins. Overall, the cardiovascular system ensures the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to all cells in the body and the removal of waste products, playing a vital role in maintaining homeostasis and supporting bodily functions.